Alright, today is episode 1 of Truck Date. Truck Date. Hello, alright. I got my first truck date, so wish me luck. I can't, I don't know, yeah, see how it goes. My wife her. Okay, I'm picking up my date. Her name is Martha. And she said she'll be waiting down here. She said all these houses look alike, so I think it's this one over here. She said she has a big house. So maybe this one. Oh, I think it's right here. Is that the one with the... Oh man, she is rich. Dang, 3 trucks. 4-wheeler. Alright, well, let's go meet Martha. Let me get the door for you. Thank you. There goes my truck date. So what do you do for a living, Martha? Oh, it's a surprise because you're rich. Just yeah, cool. I like your house. That's a huge house you got over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, I took Martha out. She wanted to go for shopping, and she said, "Do not camera her." So this will be the last you'll see of Martha. Hey, where'd she go? I got stood up. Darn it, Martha stood me up. Well, I got stood up this week, so we will we'll see about next week. Yeah, we'll see next week. So truck date next week. We'll see you if you subscribe. Peace. And stay safe with the COVID-19 and everything. So, all right. Well, Martha's not the first one to ditch me on a date, but you know, it'll happen. Probably happen some more. But I thought she was a very independent woman who knew what she wanted. Yeah, she's pretty cool. But it just didn't work out. Well, next one. We'll see you next time.